In less than a year, Bad Boy has exceeded our expectations. In the countries where it has been launched, it is a bestseller and one of the most celebrated masculine scents. Bad Boy Eau de Toilette is one of my favorite masculine fragrances. I have always been a little irreverent, and I have always been drawn to unique and less obvious things. Creating this perfume that reinvents the myth of the rebel helped me reconnect with my daring self. With Bad Boy, we took many risks. This Eau de Toilette is a revamp of Fougère, which is the backbone of masculine perfumery. I love challenges, and I had a lot of fun collaborating with the perfumers on this project. It was not an easy task, 3 years in the making. I have always believed style is a balance between modernity and tradition. Bad Boy is stylish because of its classic and avant-garde vision. Bad Boy combines synthetic molecules with natural ingredients. Many of them, like vetiver and tonka bean, are obtained through fair trade and sustainability programs. In my trips, I've had the chance to meet a lot of Bad Boy enthusiasts. In the beginning, they told me they bought the perfume because they were drawn to its surprising bottle, a lightning bolt. But they quickly became hooked. They loved the scent. Within the first few seconds of meeting someone, you can get an impression of who they are. First impressions happen as fast as lightning, the symbol of Bad Boy. This is why scent is so crucial. It is like silent words. The bright accords, clary sage enriched and vert de bergamot, and the dark accords, tonka bean and cocoa, create a powerful duality, strong and sensitive, heroic and vulnerable. As I already said, I quickly fell in love with Bad Boy.